मौजूद हैं। मुल्क भर में डिजिटल स्किल प्रोग्राम का आगाज़ किया गया है। इफ्तिताह कर रहे हैं साबिक मौजूदा वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी। मुल्क भर में ऑनलाइन 10 लाख नौजवानों को तरबियत दी जाएगी। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म की तरफ से डिजी स्किल प्रोग्राम का इफ्तिताह किया जा रहा है। इस्लामाबाद में इस वक्त तकरीब जारी है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Dr. Naveed Malik, Rector, Virtual University, Mr. Yusuf Hussain, CEO Ignite, Mr. Rizwan Bashir Khan, Secretary IT, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to be here, and I'm very pleased that Ignite and Virtual University have gotten together to launch the Digi Skills program. The current government has delivered in many fields. We built motorways, we built power plants, a complete new gas system, we built ports, airports, but I think this is probably the most important contribution in the last 5 years. Dr. Naveed Malik mentioned the program. As far as I can understand, and I was given a very elaborate speech, but I tried to read it and I couldn't make much sense of it. So I thought I'd just give you my opinions on what I feel. I think this is basically, we are teaching 1 million people skills that will equip them for income generation. I think that is the bottom line. Dr. Naveed Malik also tried his best to explain, but I got some idea where we're going, but I think that is where we're going. It's equipping people to generate income in a different way, in the non-traditional way. The world is changing. We all know that. We all say that the world is changing very fast. Where it will be in 3 years or 5 years or 10 years, I don't think any of us can. We can only speculate on that. I don't think anybody knows or anybody can say with much confidence. And I assure you, the government of Pakistan definitely doesn't know. So, if you're relying on the government to guide you, then you have problems. The government is also in a learning mode. So please, this is the private sector. The private sector has to take the initiative. The private sector has to lead the way. The government can only facilitate. And to do that, we have been working on this for the last several years, and we have committed to a couple of things. The first thing is that broadband will be available in every inch of Pakistan. Broadband connectivity will be like air. You don't have to ask whether it is there or not. We will also facilitate e-commerce. We had a meeting maybe a week back, and the only thing I learned from it was a very long meeting. The only thing I learned was that we have no idea what e-commerce is about.
इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब जारी है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं। उनका ये कहना है कि IT के शोबे में प्राइवेट सेक्टर को आगे आना होगा। हुकूमत उन्हें सहूलियात फराहम करेगी। ई-कॉमर्स के लिए भी हुकूमत सहूलियात फराहम कर रही है।
The world is changing too fast. The government takes a lot of time to change. The world is changing too fast. So just facilitate the people. Don't inhibit their business. In that e-commerce meeting, all we learned was how the government will stop you from doing e-commerce. The State Bank had their own opinion on what you should not be doing. The Ministry of Commerce had opinion. The Ministry of IT had also certain opinions, and all related back to a concept called national security. So to me, national security means creating jobs for people. So this is national security. 1 million people hopefully getting jobs. So the concept of freelancing, the concept of entrepreneurship, this is all changing now. Entrepreneurship used to be, entrepreneurs were very unique people who could take risks, who could go out, motivate people, raise money, and then start a venture of which there was a high expectation of failure or a high probability of failure. That is not the case anymore. Today, the entrepreneurship is a much different concept. Entrepreneurship on the internet is a different game. It is not capital intensive, it is technology intensive, and if you can deliver, if you're technologically sound, you can deliver efficiency, reliability, and if you're cost, you can do the business, just like any other business. And that is where the government comes in. The government can only facilitate, and that is what we're working on, to facilitate the entrepreneurs. This is part of that, teaching skills that will get them there. And the requirement and the technology of these skills will also change very fast. But I'm sure with Dr. Naveed Malik there, you can rest assured that you will be up to speed on things. You will be at the cutting edge of technology. So all I say is, let's just facilitate the youth of Pakistan. I'm sure they will find a way. I have a great faith in the young people of this country, especially the ladies. What I've seen in the last few years, the young women of Pakistan have taken the initiative. And I assure you, and you will see in the next few years, that in e-commerce, in digi-skills, in working in the new world, the women of Pakistan, inshallah, will lead the future. Thank you very much.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी इस्लामाबाद में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उनकी जानिब से ये कहा गया है कि पाकिस्तान के नौजवानों पर हुकूमत को बहुत एतमाद है। ई कॉमर्स और डिजी स्किल्स के शोबों में 10 लाख लोगों को रोज़गार मिल सकता है। प्राइवेट सेक्टर इन शोबों में काम करने के लिए आ गया है। हुकूमत पाकिस्तान उन्हें मुकम्मल सहूलतें फराहम करेगी। उनकी जानिब से ये कहा गया कि ई कॉमर्स के लिए सहूलियात फराहम की जाएंगी। दुनिया तेज़ी से बदल रही है और लोगों को इंटरनेट और ई कॉमर्स के ज़रिए से मिलाया जा सकता है और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का कॉन्सेप्ट अब इंटरनेट की वजह से, टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से तब्दील हो रहा है और टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से बिजनेसेस भी डेवलप कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस भी तरक्की करेंगे और इस समय प्राइवेट सेक्टर आ गया है। हुकूमत पाकिस्तान उनको सहूलियात फराहम करेगी।